Hello everyone, and welcome back to An Assamese in Austria. Today we're taking you on a special walking tour through a city of immense historical significance in France, Orléans. Beyond its historical landmarks, Orléans is a vibrant city with a charming atmosphere. The streets are a delight to wander through, filled with beautiful architecture, cozy cafes, and a relaxed, welcoming vibe. It's the perfect place to soak in a bit of French culture and history. As we continue our walk, we can't miss this breathtaking masterpiece, the Cathedral of the Holy Cross of Orléans, or Cathédrale Sainte-Croix d'Orléans. This stunning example of Gothic architecture dominates the city skyline. Its construction spans centuries, with its distinctive towers and intricate details reflecting the various periods of French history. It's a truly awe-inspiring sight and a testament to the city's rich past. Orléans holds a special place in French history, primarily because of its connection to the legendary heroine Joan of Arc. It was here in 1429 that she led the French army to victory, lifting the English siege and turning the tide of the 100 Years' War. This incredible feat earned her the nickname the Maid of Orléans. As you can see, her legacy is celebrated everywhere in the city with a magnificent equestrian statue standing proudly in the heart of the main square. Our tour today concludes at this fascinating art exhibition. The city of Orléans is not just about history, it's also a hub for contemporary culture and art. It's wonderful to see how the city continues to evolve while honoring its deep roots. I hope you enjoyed this virtual journey through the beautiful city of Orléans. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to An Assamese in Austria for more adventures and travel stories. See you in the next video.